So it's very easy to do. All you need to do is to follow this tutorial and you get it. So first of all, I'm going to create a new document. You can create new or Control N. I'm going to use a YouTube thumbnail size 1280 by 720. I'm going to just click create. So first of all, we're going to clear guides. Click on view and clear this guide. Then I'm going to unlock this background layer and press Ctrl 0 for us to see the full document or canvas. We're going to drag in our image, and scale it up. To cover the full document, the full page. Ctrl minus to zoom out. Scale it up proportionally. Drag by the edge. Just drag it by the edge to scale proportionally. You click on Ctrl 0 to see the full document. You're going to click on this layer. Click on rasterize the layer. Then I'm going to use our lasso tool. Click on L on the keyboard shortcut. You just go to L here, and I'm going to use our lasso to draw. I'm going to draw out the mountain, the object we want to put the text behind.
Just draw it out. You can take your time so that you make it perfect.
So following Ctrl Shift I to invert, I'm going to press Ctrl J to duplicate. So we have this mountain, and we have the original picture. So this firstly, I'm going to duplicate it, Ctrl J, and put it above this mountain layer. Then we're going to type our text using the font in the description below behind. Let's make sure this is above so I can see the text behind. Typing behind. So behind, we're going to bring it behind. We're going to take it here. This layer. And we're going to move it down to where we want it to be. Then I'm going to bring our eraser. Click on this top layer. Use our eraser to erase this. So you can see the text is behind the original design without any change. So what I like to do is I like to just change the text to wrap the text. Just click on Ctrl T and click on it on wrap. Then choose arc and choose the bend to 10. So it bends like this. So it's very simple to do, very simple. Then click on, you can use E, just erase behind you. Right, see, the fogs and everything just stays behind the text. Very simple. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. Hope that you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks in Photoshop. Thank you very much.